We all know drag racing has some really, really extreme highs, like what we experienced last year at Shootout, and then also some pretty low lows. This is where we're sitting right now with the car. Let me show you guys what's going on here. Luckily, I think it's fixable. So we're gonna get it over to one of our good friends, Anthony, in his body shop. He's got a really nice frame machine. We're gonna make sure everything's straight before we put any time and energy into it. But we're gonna be trying to make Maryland. All right, we're tearing down the front here. Not too bad underneath. Some front suspension damage, but what was interesting is that this definitely took a hit. You can see cracked. So we're gonna have to remake the structural component around the fuel cell. Got the flare off back here. We're gonna get the taillight, bumper, and the chutes off next. So that's what we got over here. Flare, fender. So a couple days before it goes to the body shop / frame shop. New bumper from Harley. Fits up really nice. Happy with that. Got the mounts on there so the wing's not flopping around. Oh Everything fits really good. Tail light fits good. That's where we're at right now, so. Not too bad, feeling pretty good. Up here, we've got a new spindle, new wheel bearing, new lower control arm. All that needs to be replaced. Put a new axle in it too. And then this piece right here is a little bit pushed in. So that's gonna have to be pulled out a little bit. But I mean, all said and done, best case scenario. All right, this is where we're sitting in the car right now. Got the flare off on this side. We're not going to be doing flares on the quarters anymore. You guys will see what we've got in store for the car. Got the new taillight and bumper on it, and you can see how far off the quarter is. It's not really that bad, to be honest with you. All new suspension components, new wheel bearing, new spindle, new axle. Everything's new back there. And then up here, it's going to need a new lower control arm. It's custom, so we're going to have to make that. Other than that, looking pretty good. Off to Anthony tomorrow. Some stuff I guess you guys never really see. Got the boosted fab brace with the Weldon option. Really nice. It's been in the car. Got a bunch of carbon block off plates for everything. And then I've got a carbon wheel well liner that we made. So that's just all out of sheet carbon. And that's just so any rocks or any debris can't go from the wheel inside the car. So it just seals everything off. Real nice. So stuff you don't normally see on the car. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and replace the fuel cell got damaged. So we're gonna replace these two sides of the fuel cell. Got the intercooler outlet that got damaged. Got the new one on top of the intercooler, about to weld that on. So, making progress. Show you guys the back of the car. I'll show you guys some pictures too, but the metal work they did was unbelievable. I couldn't believe that they got out the damage and got it to fit and look as nice as it does. Super happy with these guys. They did a great job. Give you guys a look at where we're at. The intercooler, we welded on a new Vangeon to the intercooler here. And then this pipe is new too. It got damaged. This took an impact, so we got a new pipe on here. Welded. Fixed the fuel cell. Fixed the reinforcement around the fuel cell. This is what the back is looking like. Some primer sealer on it. It's going to be black before we bring it to Maryland, so we're in the process of switching over all the bushings on the new spindle that we got. All the arms are new. Upper control arms new. The brackets are new. And then here's our spindle. We'll get pressed in. Making progress. All right, we got this quarter sanded up. That was more sanding than I ever want to do in my life. And I think I'll leave it to the body guys from now on. Got a lot of respect for those guys. It's not easy and it's not fast. So we're gonna get this thing painted. All right, I had a couple people reach out and said they wanted to take a closer look at the fabrication work we did. We kind of blew through it real quick the other day. Welded, engine on. The reinforcement bar is at powder coat right now.